Good morning, students. So in that video I shall be telling you about character representation, because up to the last video I completed the number system, conversions between different number systems and binary addition. So after that we are here that how to represent character, because how to represent number, decimals, fraction, that is already done up to the last video. So today I will explain how to store, or how a computer represent a character into the computer's memory. Okay, so for this purpose computer must recognize alphabets A to Z, lower letters, and A to Z capital, other punctuation marks, other symbols, plus, minus, divide, comma, colon, dash, is to, underscore, at the rate, etc., and enter, len, feed, etc. So a very wide uh, code is used in the computers, which is known as ASCII, that is ASCII. ASCII. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, pronounced as ASCII. So ASCII is a 7-bit code system. 7-bit code system means it can have possible value 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0, 7 zeros, to 7 times ones, means this two, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is the largest code can be represented in ASCII, and it is the smallest code. Every code is represented in 7-bit. 7-bit means 2 raised to power 7 minus 1, which is 128. Minus 1, 127. So it can represent these much numbers. Now how it works? So that standard has given some codes to represent character. So for example, it has capital A. If I want to write capital A, or computer want to store capital A, then a code equivalent to capital A is given by ASCII is 65. Okay. Character A is represented by a numerical value which is 65 in decimal. So similarly, capital B plus 1, 66, capital C 67, and up to so on, up to capital Z it has 90, 90. So for capital letters, ASCII has given capital 65 for capital A, 66 for capital B, 67 for capital C, and up to so on, capital 90 for capital Z. Similarly, it has also given the code for small lowercase. For small a, it has given 97, small b 98, small c 99, and small z 122. So remember these codes, these are very important. It also has given some codes for like space. For space, the code is given as 32. Space is represented by a code 32 in ASCII, and 0 numerical value 0 is represented by 48. The numerical value 1 in decimal is given to the computer, then in ASCII it is represented as 49, and up to 9 the code is given as 57. So first what you must do, you must write all these codes and remember the initials. For example, capital A starts from 65, then plus 1 to the alphabet and plus 1 to the value, plus 1 alphabet A, plus 1 B, B plus 1 C, means 1 1 increasing by A, then B, then C. Similarly, add 1 to the ASCII value to get the equivalent ASCII code for the other alphabets. So similarly, I have given codes for capital alphabets, small alphabets, for numerical values 0 to 9, and for space I have also given. So now we will have some example or some question on the base of this ASCII value. Okay.